Most people think getting to Canada is just about filling out forms. Pero ang totoo, one wrong move can delay your dream for years. Maraming aplikante ang nag-a-apply ng walang malinaw na plano. Basta na lang sinusunod ang mga generic advice na nakikita online. Ang mas malalim na problema, hindi nila alam kung aling immigration pathway ang talagang swak sa profile nila. Kung inaakala mo na lahat ng application ay pare-pareho, this confusion is real. That's why guidance from an expert changed everything. At dito pumapasok ang kaibahan ng pakikipagtrabaho sa isang licensed immigration consultant. Siguradong tama, malinaw, at akma sa sitwasyon mo. We personally invite you to book a one-on-one consultation with our licensed immigration consultant. Dito makakakuha ka ng clear, honest assessment ng chances mo at kung alin ang best pathway mo papuntang Canada. Through transparent process, personalized strategy, at guidance na nakabase mismo sa profile mo. Walang hulaan, walang false promises, clarity at confidence lang sa bawat next steps mo. Book your consultation today.